Kiera Simone Clothing is being promoted as a stylish boutique brand with a heartfelt story about being designed in a small studio and crafted with care. But the real question is whether that story is genuine or just marketing. The brand presents itself as a women-focused fashion label with inclusive sizing and thoughtfully designed pieces. On the surface, everything looks polished, clean website, trendy products, and emotional storytelling. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Online fashion brands like this do exist, and many operate without physical stores while still selling real products. However, here's the key point. With Kiera Simone, the branding and backstory raise some questions when you look closer. There are some positives. The website is functional and secure, with a moderate trust score, around 66 out of 100, indicating it's not flagged as high risk. Offers a wide size range, which suggests an attempt at inclusivity. Products are actually delivered in most cases, not a pure take your money and disappear scam. But here's where the concerns come in. First, the brand story. Kiera Simone claims to be a small studio operating since 2008 in the Hudson Valley, emphasizing handcrafted clothing and a close-knit workshop environment. The issue? There's little to no independent evidence supporting this history, no strong social presence, no verifiable physical boutique, and no clear brand footprint outside its own website. Second, the product listings follow a very familiar pattern. Heavy discounts, often 60 to 70% off. Generic product descriptions that could apply to almost any item. Repeated marketing phrases across different products. Kiera Simone. This is commonly seen in dropshipping style stores, where items are sourced from third-party manufacturers and rebranded. Third, the catalog itself. Some product names and images appear inconsistent or oddly labeled, like stylish items, which suggests products may not be originally designed by the brand Kiera Simone. And finally, the bigger pattern. Kiera Simone fits into a growing category of fashion sites that use emotional storytelling, small studio, made with love, claim long histories without proof, run constant closing down, or sale promotions. So, is Kiera Simone Clothing legit or made up? It's likely a real store in the sense that it sells and ships products, but the brand story is probably exaggerated or generic rather than authentic. The bottom line is this. Kiera Simone is not an outright scam, but it shows strong signs of being a rebranded dropshipping-style fashion store with a questionable backstory. If you're expecting handcrafted boutique-quality clothing, it probably won't match that expectation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.